Hi y'all, welcome. I hope you're having an amazing day. If you're new to the channel, hopefully you'll want to subscribe and join our holistic healing community where we do unboxings and talk about different things that you can use to increase your spiritual and mental, physical, and emotional health. Today we're going to be opening Minding My Own Wellness. And this is a fairly new box for me, but I'm really enjoying it. Minding My Own Wellness is a monthly subscription box, thoughtfully curated with 6 to 8 items such as mindful books, journals, herbal apothecary, self-care, and spiritual tools to support your self-care needs throughout the month. They do have access to online community so that you can support others, and it's always over $100 retail value, and the pricing is $39.95 a month. I do have a $6.95, whether it's shipping or taxes. It's probably taxes. So it's a $39.95 plus the $6.95. But if you get 12 boxes and do 12 months in advance, you can get it as cheap as $33.95. And of course, they have different scales there on the way up. If you want to do 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, that kind of thing. So let's review really quickly what we got in last month's box before we open this month's box, and I'll give you a little update on any of the products that I've used. In last month's box, we got the Herbal Face Steam, and I will admit that I have not used that, so I can't give you an update on it. The Herbal Cleansing Grains, which were amazing. Those have been really nice and super good. The metal smudge pot with the wood coaster, that was so cute. I did put it in the giveaway box, but it was really cute. The Heart and Soul herbal tea, and I did drink that tea, and you know me and my teas, and I loved it. It was a great combination of tea. The White Sage Smudge Stick, which will get passed on to someone because I have so many of those that come in boxes. The Spoon Tea Infuser, which I love because, you know, I'm trying to outfit a new house that I'm moving in 6 weeks to Colorado. We'll actually have both houses for a little while, so I'm not moving everything from this house up to the new house, so it's nice to have a few extra things like that. The hand sanitizer spray, and while we were up looking for houses in Colorado, I used that nonstop. It was really nice and didn't dry out my hands like many of the other alcohol hand sanitizers because I usually can't use them. The bath salt bag with the wooden spoon, and I used almost all of that while I was up there in the hotel taking baths, doing my new moon stuff, and I really enjoyed that. And it was called Unwind Bath Soak, and it was a really nice big bottle, just beautiful. And I just took the bag and I put some in each time I used it in the tub, and then of course it had the herbs and everything in the bag, and then I just opened the bag back up, put new salts in there, and then put it back in there. And then between baths I would hang it up on the spigot so that it would hang down and dry so that the herbs that were inside wouldn't get moldy or mildewy, but they dried out in between the baths, and then I was able to just keep adding more salt into that bag. So that I did, last time I did 2 box unopening. So the second box that I opened in the last video had the tea ball, which I'm so excited to have a couple more teaspoons and tea balls that I can use in the new house. The VitaBoost herbal tea, and I did pass that on to a friend, so I can't tell you how it tasted, but she was in need of a good vitamin boost, and so I was grateful to have that to pass on to her. Their teas have been amazing. So the Rose Petal White Sage Smudge Stick, that was beautiful, absolutely gorgeous, and it's actually on my altar. I don't know if I actually want to burn that because it had the pretty rose petals on it and was just so beautiful. The Clear Quartz Crystal Keychain, pretty, but you know, it'll get passed on in a gift box. I don't really use keychains. So the Pocket Latte Coffee Bars, yeah, that went right to my stepdaughter, who said they were amazing. She really loved them. She asked if I had any more. The Craft Journal and the Diamond Pen, really cute little pen with the diamond on top. And the Sweet Serene Body Oil, oh my gosh, I've been using that. You know me, my body oils, candles and sprays, incense, yeah. I guess I really liked scents, right? So that's what we got in last month's box. It was a great box. So far, I've really enjoyed their products. So let's see what's in this month's box. So as we open up the box, whoops, has a little thank you sticker. And then everything's tucked down inside there. Minding my own wellness. Thank you, and tells you how to follow them. This is actually a card where you do like, you check off 5 boxes and get a chance to win your next box free. Then we have, it says, what's inside? April's box include, let's continue to stay grounded and focused. And then it has a description of the items that I'll read as we pull things out of the box. Yay! Oh, I go through these, so I'm actually really grateful to get this instead of a sage smudge. So here we have a really nice bundle of Palo Santo. And most of you know I love the smell of Palo Santo much better than sage, so this tends to be more of my go-to for my cleansing, smoke cleansings. And it is sustainably sourced and ethically wildcrafted in Peru. Palo Santo, sustainably sourced in Peru, wonderful grounding incense for your sacred space. Yeah. And these, you know, I usually only buy them in packs like this, and I end up going through them quite frequently, so I'm super grateful to have more of that. Then we have our little sticker, Nourish. Very cute. We're talking Nourish sticker. Small sticker to place anywhere to remind you that you deserve to be nourished every day. Ceremonial Cacao. Pure ceremonial cacao powder, naturally grown in Guatemala, perfect for ceremonial cacao brew, a morning boost, or to add to delicious treats. Nice size bag of cacao. And I do like cacao. It says, morning drink, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of cacao to an 8-ounce hot water, whisk until frothy. Ceremonial brew, add 5 to 6 tablespoons, so a lot more, to 7 fluid ounces of hot water per person. Whisk until frothy. Add natural sweetener and spices to taste. And the cacao's pretty bitter. A lot of people that do it in ceremonies like to leave it bitter because of the ceremonial properties of it, but I enjoy it so much more if it's a little sweet. And then it says optional cayenne pepper, cinnamon, cardamom, or vanilla to taste that you could add into there, as well as honey or any of the sweetener, agave syrup, sugar. I try and stay away from sugar just because I'm trying to do a natural ceremony and utilize the magic within the cacao. And so I try to stay as much away as I can from really super processed things. Very nice. Perfect for ceremonial cacao brew, morning boost, or to add to delicious treats. Very nice. Cute little necklace. This one will probably get passed on. I do like it, and I do even love the design and stuff, but I don't wear a whole lot of other necklaces. It says Naturally Devine Wellness, which means it came from their shop, and it's a pretty dream catcher with some feathers on it. It's got a nice long chain in there. And does look like a good quality of silver. You know, it's pretty thick. Beautiful dream catcher necklace. That's what it says about it. It is beautiful. That will get put in the gift bag though. I know I won't wear it even though it's super beautiful. All right, what else is down in here? Peekaboo. Let's see. There's one thing. There's one thing. It's all hidden. And there's one thing. Okay, just want to make sure I have everything out. Done that before where I finished filming and then I end up, you know, finding something else in the box. So we've got a nice little selenite stick here. And of course, you know, who can have too much selenite? Selenite is a great purification. It if you put any stone to it, it will purify and cleanse any of the stones that you have. The only thing I would say is, like, I put it in my home in different four corners for protection and for cleansing. I do keep one small piece in the very corner of my shower that I do have to replace now and again, because selenite is gypsum and it is water soluble. So you don't want to leave it in sitting water and stuff. It will start to dissolve. Selenite Wand. Selenite is a spiritual stone that brings peace and tranquility by dispelling negativity with its protective force, also used to charge other crystals. Very nice. Then we have this. Oh, cute. Hello, hello. So this is like, and I actually like it just even like this. Look. I love that they give you some little items and stuff to put on your altar. So you've got a nice dish there. And it looks like almost like a black cast irony kind of look to it. And so you've got that nice little dish. But then it also has a little rock insert here. Let's see if I can get it where you can see it. And it has, you can kind of see, there you go, the 3 holes in it so that you could set this down in the bottom here. And it does have a little space that it fits nicely and won't move in. And then you can put your 3 incense in there. Now the thing that I love about this is you can put your 3 incense sticks there, or 1 in the center if you only want to use 1, but you can surround the rest of this with herbs and crystals and that kind of thing as part of your ritual. So I really like and will definitely keep this and utilize this in my practice. Oh, what does it say? Cast iron Canoe incense holder. This cute incense holder pairs well with your Palo Santo sticks and can be used for small smudge sticks as well as incense sticks. So exactly, it is really cute because with your Palo Santo, as you burn it, and then once you're finished using it, you want to have a plate or something to put it in, and this would be perfect to lay your Palo Santo stick in while it's cooling down. And last but not least, well wrapped, my pocket meditation for anxiety. Anytime exercises to reduce stress, ease worry, and invite calm. Oh, hey, we can all use something like that, right? Peace and calm are just moments away. Find serenity in any moment with my pocket meditation for anxiety. Wow. Oh, I love it. Because I do meditation groups and run meditations, eventually this channel, we will have live meditations that you can join in each week and that kind of thing that will be coming probably in about a year, just getting the channel going, getting our community built, because right now I can't even do the community tab or live tab until I get 1,000 subscribers. So I'm really happy that the people are finding us that need to find us. I don't want to try and just hurry and get a bunch of subscribers. I want our community to be cohesive and loving and supportive. So this will be awesome though when I do some of those meditations. Typically, I end up doing a lot of Eastern meditation. I've studied for 12 years with a Tibetan meditation teacher, and so Eastern meditation is just a little bit different. We don't often do as many guided meditations. They're more just awareness meditations. You might use some things like breathing or that kind of thing as an aspect to keep your focus. But having my master's in counseling, I definitely love Western meditations, progressive relaxations, and different guided meditations that I think can be really appropriate to a group setting and to videos that we could do later. So I'm super excited to have this. My pocket meditation for anxiety, anytime exercises to reduce stress, ease worry, and invite calm. So in this month's box, Minding My Own Wellness, we received the beautiful Dream Catcher necklace. the Ceremonial Cacao, the Palo Santo sticks, the cast iron Canoe incense holder, the My Pocket Meditations for Anxiety book, the Selenite Wand, and the Nourish sticker. I give this box a thumbs up. I'm going to really enjoy utilizing these items. I do like that it's kind of piecemeal and that I can pick and choose different pieces depending on what new moon, full moon, or other magical rituals that I might be doing during the month. What did you think of the box? Did you like it? Write in the comments below and let me know what was your favorite item. I hope you're having an amazing day. If you haven't already, please remember to subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and comment below and let me know how your day is going. I want to get to know you as much as you're getting to know me, and the only way I have to do that is if you write comments, so I do really appreciate that. Have a wonderful day, and remember to come back often to the channel where you can say, "Karma's my friend." Bye, y'all.